Hi everyone, this is Selina. Welcome back to one of my videos. I hope you're well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name's Selina and I release crochet tutorials and free patterns. And today I'm bringing to you this beautiful feminine, very simple but very lovely scarf. It's super easy to crochet, and as always the free pattern will be available on my blog selinaveronique.com. The link will be in the description box. So for this project I used a beautiful yarn. This is what I have left of it. It's called Caron Colorama Halo, and I did use just under one ball of yarn, and it's really soft and fluffy. It is 100% polyester, I believe, and it is considered a chunky, bulky yarn. So the colour I used is called Rose Garden. I also used a 6mm crochet hook, a pair of scissors, and a tapestry needle. I will be using US terms with British terms in brackets. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so to begin this tutorial, make a slip knot. So just go ahead and create a slip knot. Pop your hook through and tighten. And now you will be chaining 24. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've chained less, but the principle is the exact same. So now count 1, 2, 3 chains from the hook. So we will be placing a half double crochet in the third chain from the hook. So wrap your yarn around your hook, go into the chain like so, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Take your yarn and pull through 3 loops, and this creates a half double crochet. And as I said, the first chain 2 counts as a half double crochet. Now go into the next chain with a half double crochet and into the next chain with a half double crochet, and just place a half double crochet into each and every chain across until you reach the end of this chain. And as you can see, I've already reached the end of the chain. Your chain will be longer, of course, but I'm just going to show you the next rows. So for the next row, chain 2, 1 and 2, turn your work, and this counts as your first half double crochet and goes with this stitch here. Now you are going to be going into the next stitch with a half double crochet and into the next stitch with a half double crochet, and just place a half double crochet into each and every stitch across until you reach the end of this row, and place a half double crochet inside the chain 2 like so. This is what we have. It will straighten out as we go, and you will be repeating row 2 until you have 121 rows or more, depending on what you want. So just go ahead and repeat row 2 until you have 121 rows, and then I'll show you what to do then. Okay, so as you can see, I've done 121 rows in total. I'll be writing down on the website how long this scarf is. And once you are satisfied with the length of your scarf, you are going to be doing the first row of the border. So for this, we are going to not fasten off. As you can see, we will chain 1, and this first chain 1 counts as a turning chain. Go into the first stitch with a single crochet, and so 2 single crochet, go directly into the stitch, pull up a loop. You have 2 loops on your hook. Take your yarn and pull through 2 loops. Go into the next stitch with a single crochet, and just go ahead and place a single crochet into each and every stitch across until you reach this side, and then I'll show you what to do then. Okay, so I've reached the end of this short row. I still have one stitch left, which is a chain 2 from the beginning. Place a single crochet into that, and now we are going to be working all the way across this side and all 4 sides actually. And so this is what I call the wrong side of the stitches, so we are going to have to be placing single crochets evenly all across this row. So I've just placed a single crochet here at the beginning. I'm going to place another single crochet into the next stitch, and then another single crochet into the next stitch, and a single crochet into the next stitch, and again, and just place a single crochet into each and every, well, there's no stitch, but evenly all across this row. And then once you reach the end, just turn your project around once again and place a single crochet onto every each side, so each of the 4 sides, until you go all the way around. Okay, so I've gone all the way around and I love how this is looking. And so to finish, I'm just going to slip stitch through the first single crochet that we made. I'm going to fasten off and pull through like so. And this is our scarf. I love it. It's so pretty. I love the colour changes. Let me know in the comments what you thought of this beautiful and simple tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.